In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in the WooCommerce product gallery. If you're looking to enhance your product pages by incorporating dynamic video content, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring your products stand out in the digital marketplace. To begin, you'll want to access the full site editing capabilities on your website. Navigate to your WordPress admin dashboard. Here, you'll want to look for the Appearance section, which will guide you to the editor. Selecting the editor opens up the full site editing block editor, which is the flexible visual tool that allows for easy customization of your site's appearance. Once inside the editor, your next step is to focus on templates. You'll notice options for templates or template parts. For this guide, we're going to click on Templates and then choose Single Product. If for any reason you don't see this option immediately, you can click on Add Template and select Product, provided your theme supports it. This area is where we will be making changes specific to your product pages. Now that the product template is open, it's time to edit. You'll be able to see and modify several components using a variety of blocks. Among the blocks available, you'll find crucial elements like the product title, product image, product price, Add to Cart button, and product rating. These blocks are typically added automatically by WooCommerce to ensure you have all the essentials in place. The magic of this step happens in customization. Feel free to arrange the layout to better suit your needs. For example, you might prefer to move the product price to appear above the title. Moreover, this is where you can really enhance the gallery by adding extra blocks. You can insert video content, which can provide potential customers with a richer view of your products in action. Other additions might include banners, related product recommendations, or even custom text and buttons. Social share buttons can also be included to improve your product page's reach and engagement. Once you're satisfied with the changes and additions, don't forget to save your work. You'll simply click the Save button, and that's it. Your customized template will now apply to all single product pages on your site, meaning the changes you've made will enhance the shopping experience for every visitor. By following these steps, you've not only enhanced the look and feel of your WooCommerce product gallery, but also improved its functionality by incorporating video. This can potentially lead to higher engagement and provide your visitors with a compelling reason to purchase, armed with more information right on the product page.